In this video, I'm going to show you how I log my food. I'm going to speak through it like I would when I understood the carbs, the fats, and the proteins I've just described in some of the videos. So I'm going to log my breakfast, and I'm going to have 2 slices of toast, with 2 eggs. I can log it as such as a 1 whole meal. And I know that 2 slices of toast is 2 carb serving in the area of my grain. And I know that it had a little bit of butter to it. And I know my 2 eggs is 1 pea in the form of eggs as my protein source. I had some tomatoes with it, so I'm just going to log that as vegetables. Track food. And you can see that it's been logged here as my breakfast as a 2C, a P, and an F with vegetables. And that's how you would log a breakfast, understanding our system. Now I'm going to log our lunch. So in our lunch, I'm going to have, let's say, a tuna sandwich with a glass of milk. So I know based on the system guide that a tuna sandwich have a top and a bottom. So it would be 2 slices. So that would be 2 carbs in the area of my grain. That would be 3 ounces of tuna. So that we know 3 ounces is equivalent to 1 pea. And that's going to be logged as lean meat because the tuna for me is lean, whereas most beef might be non-lean. And a glass of milk, which is also part of my carbohydrate. So I'm going to add my carbohydrate. Now, if I wanted to recognize that I'm having grain and dairy, I would log the milk separately. On the other hand, I'm just going to classify it as grain and add it as a milk. It's really up to you how you log that. Okay? I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayo to my my meal, and so that is 1F. And I also had some vegetables with it as well as on the tuna sandwich itself, and I'm going to track that food. So that's how you would log food, understanding the system and how it would log for you in our food system. If I had some cookies, I'm going to add cookies, and I'm going to say my wife baked these, and then I'm going to give reference to the treat rule as well as why I'm having that. If I feel comfortable or if I feel like I want my coach to know something, I'm going to use and highlight this for him or her.